for we are to God the fragrance of Christ. 2 Corinthians 2 verse 15.
To my channel, my name is Tope and this is Top Notes by Tope. If today is the first time you see my face, well, I am a fragrance reviewer from Lagos, Nigeria, and if you love fragrance related content, I'll be elated if you subscribe to my channel. Today in the video I have a review of Afnan Supremacy in Oud, and if you love the Afnan Supremacy range, I think you should watch this video because this is a new addition. It's the second one of the 2 fragrances that they have added to their collection. So if you're interested in knowing my opinion about this fragrance, without much ado, let's get into the video. Hello, welcome back. So let's go straight in. This is how it looks. The fragrance comes in a jacket. If you want to, this is it. I turned it upside down. If you want to know more about it, I'll say you should watch the video because I'm not going to show the packaging and all that good stuff I showed in the other video. So this is it. This is the Afnan Supremacy Oud in Oud here. This is what it looks like. And for notes, I have my notebook as usual. This is it. And it has notes of saffron, lavender, nutmeg, agarwood, and sweet notes. It has base notes of musk, patchouli. Someone also commented that this one is a dupe for Initials Oud for Greatness, and I understand they both have nutmeg, saffron and lavender. There's also oud, there's patchouli and musk, but I find that there's just a slight twist of adding the sweet notes to it. And honestly, I'll say that this is a sweeter version of Initials Oud for Greatness, but it is not too sweet, yet it's not as sweet as it is. I find I'm going to do a comparison of this and Oud for Glory by Lattafa because I find that they are similar. The first time that I sprayed it, it brought into my mind Lattafa's Oud for Glory, but the truth of the matter is that this is a bit more complex. The oud here is slightly pungent, a bit. The quality of the oud here too, I find that is a little much better. Quality of ingredients overall is a bit better. This is a very great fragrance. It's quite, I would say that to my nose, I still smelled Initials Oud for Greatness. And what I'll say is that, I mean, Oud for Greatness is Oud for Greatness. So it is more complex, it's more well made, or maybe quality of ingredients, I can say it's a bit better. But for the price of this, I think that this is close enough a dupe, you can easily say. But there's something about this, that there's a twist in this that I don't know what it is, but I think that it is the sweetness and also the pungent nature of the oud here. This is another beast fragrance, I have to be honest. On my skin, this is anywhere from 7 to 9 hours. It keeps, and it projects actively for about 2 hours. Honestly, no joke, this thing projects actively. But in the initial projection, the sweetness comes off more than anything else. The patchouli and the saffron sips in a bit later, but it's just sweet and oud that you would get at the beginning. I almost don't smell the nutmeg. I don't know if I almost don't get it so much here, but that is Supremacy in Oud, and it fills the room. The projection, you will leave and I'm sure people would ask that who came here, what fragrance was that person wearing, like you smell very good. This one and the second one, which is Supremacy, not only intense, is the quality is, you can see the craftsmanship, the time that Afnan took to make these fragrances. It's really good quality. I have said in my other video that these fragrances are niche quality fragrances, honestly, and I stand by those words. If these were bottled in an indie house or a niche house, priced it at $250, you buy it. So I think that the quality is very, very good, and it lasts long. It smells really good, and the bottle too looks beautiful, let's be honest. So this is my opinion about them, and I like it. I really like it. This too has my seal of approval. Just that if I should make a choice, I would reach out first for the other one, which is the not only intense. There's this earthiness that is there that I like, woody and earthiness, but this on its own is a beautiful rendition of or a beautiful interpretation of Initio's Good for Greatness. So if you're a fan of Good for Greatness and you don't want to bring out all that money to purchase it, this is for you. In Lagos, yeah, you can find it anywhere between 25,000 naira to at about 30,000 naira, and I find that is anywhere between 40 to 45,000 to about $50. So I think the most you might get is for like a $60 equivalent, which is also high. So I'll tell you to search through the vendors on Instagram and you would get one that sells it. But as always, you can try Perfumes and More. She has it, and I think that Haute Fragrance or Fragrance Haute, I'm going to link the two of them. She too has it, so you can find it from any one of them, whoever you find has a competitive price. So this is my opinion, and I'm very sure that this fragrance too have already been listed on the Afnan website. So if you're interested in having any one of them, you can get it. But for me, I prefer the Not Only Intense, just because I think for a dupe of Initio's Good for Greatness, I think I'm sold on Good for Glory, so that's why. But this is still all the same, it's good. If you are one that doesn't like Good for Glory, you can definitely get this one. So if you have watched to this point and you are not subscribed, click the subscribe button. Comment down below, tell me what your opinions are about the new Afnan Supremacy line, which ones you want to get. I just enjoy talking to you generally in the comment section. So thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and share, because it helps the channel. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. So as always, stay safe and stay centered. Bye bye.